Scan and QR code winner 25 rand. Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Come to my fans on the TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Collins 0. I'm joined by
Steve-O. I'm happy. I'm very happy.
Yeah.
Pagania, Steve, it will humble you.
It will humble you.
Too much.
Yeah.
First of all, I want to say congratulations to Mbogazi.
TLP.
He's going to represent us
In America.
America. Lapha ku Trump.
Yeah.
But anyway, congratulations to him. Then I want to come to our coach, Steve.
Yes.
Faith.
Yeah.
It's pretty coach lapha.
Antwana
Mnandi. Yamazi bani? Terminator.
Ukhumbuza Terminator.
Oh. Sandla. Yeah.
Ngicabanga ukuthi uzothi Cedric Cars.
But anyway, Steve, I want to say congratulations to the boys. Ipagania is happy.
Yeah.
We are very happy.
Yes.
Cup number 2.
Yeah.
Silandi League.
Yeah.
In Nedbank.
Yeah.
Bayibalile abanye.
Yeah.
Yamazi matlo.
Yeah.
Ile out le.
Yeah. Yeah. Uyithemba iCrane.
Uthembani lapha?
Ku-George.
Madoda.
Njengoba babe bathi umnandi PE.
Kuphi?
Eqabeka.
Mnandi kuphi? Anyway, Ipagani idlala idisc very expensive Steve, and it's as our fans we don't mind traveling for Ipagani. Because if you travel far, and then you come watch such beautiful football, no muyendlini uhappy.
Yeah, very.
Uba happy.
Yeah.
Ulaka lusekho.
Yeah.
Njengabanye.
Yeah.
Abomaki.
Yeah.
And manje pain ivelilene.
Yeah.
But bashawa match Spain
Apaya.
But not to go any further, Steve. I'm happy we're gonna end the first half of the season.
Yeah.
Not half, but before Christmas isihlelile phezulu. Bebathe kithi bazos overtake. Bashawa ama draw bonke.
Yeah.
Thina sihleli lapha yanga 28 points. 2 points clear. And masibuya ne.
Yeah.
We're gonna kill it. Kill everything. But happy New Year, Steve.
Yeah.
And prosperous New Year. You must have a very nice one. And wonke ama fans ePagania. Sila.
Once and always, Bafika.
Once and always. Thank you, Steve.
Thank you, man. Time for your patience. Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?